To disable Gemini or Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we're gonna go to Settings. Then over here we need to scroll down a little bit and we need to find Google Services. Once you open Google Services, switch to All Services over here and then go to Search Assistant and Voice. Over here you want to choose Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go over here. And in fact, if you do use Gemini, which is probably the case for most of you, then first, before we continue, you need to go to Digital Assistants from Google and you need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. This is actually necessary. If you already use Google Assistant instead of Gemini, then of course you can skip this step. Now, besides that, we're gonna scroll down over here and you want to go to General, and then here you can turn off Google Assistant just like that. Of course, in addition to that, you can also go back to Settings on your phone and then proceed to Advanced Features. Then here we can go to the Side button, and here we have the long press where we have the Digital Assistant by Google set up, which of course we can change to Bixby, or you can just switch that to Power Off menu. So if you press and hold the power button, you will not activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.